Slam it, and then use your thumb to shove it in your mouth. I can't believe no one's ever taught you how to Kinamot. I need some enthusiasm. Go.
Buntag mga besh. It's not.
Sige, mamuntag mga besh.
Mga bay.
Sige, mamuntag mga besh.
Mga bay.
Hari kami diri sa Guimaras
Island.
Halin kami sa Iloilo. So ilang oras kami ya. So subong adlaw karong adlaw mag sorry lagaw-lagaw lang kami diri. First time namon diri. So nag-abang kami scooter, mag-land tour lang kami diri karong adlaw. Naghapit kami diri sa karinderya, mag-count kami pamahaw, and then mag-tour. So
Tara!
ayos, so nakabot na kami diri sa Andana. So Andana Resort. So bago lang, so sa sige, so sa December ni siya ni Abre, di ba? December na? So sa December na Abre ni siya. So bago pa lang, pero karong adlaw timing nakabot kami diri summer kick-off. So magsuri kami dire na usa ka water park. So malingaw lang kami dire. Masadya gid. So kauban na mo mga taga del Sur, no? Bisaya gyud. Kuban mo?
Kuyog mo, sir.
Kuyog mo? Sige. Sige, tara.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver.
Jump on there. Ibili ng chinelas dire. Sige.
These things aren't easy. Have you done it before?
No.
Oh. Let's go. Can I begin?
Go Zowie! Oh, you're sure? Pag na? Zowie! What was that? Alright. Oh, heck yeah. Do some cool.
Just jump there.
Nope. Okay. Beyond.
It's very asin.
Parat. Parat. Asin. It's very salt.
Kick water all in my face.
Sakit. Piyong. Ayos. Sige, bye. Kumusta naman? Astig? Bye. Migo, astig, no? Okay kayo?
Oo.
Sige, so lingaw kayo, sadya kayo dire sa ano ni tawag? Wake park? Hindi, water park. Sa water park. Sadya gid ya. Sadya gid dire sa water park. Nami gid. Kag 399 ang bayad subong kay may promo subong. Kalabanan pila man. Ambo lang basta mani ka mo diri karon kay may promo 399. O lingaw kayo, lingaw mga sadya mga tour guide, no? Gwapo pa. Ayo. Karon si Kuya nagtulo ni Zowie kung unsaon paghimo og fish sa dahon. Isda sa dahon. Oo. Wanted ni siya. So, dili na ko ipatano sa iya. Wanted daw. Ay gani.
Kabalo ko magtikal.
Tikalon sa'yo mo ba? Sino nagturo sa'yo mo maggilang? Wow.
Si Marwas.
Wow.
Ayun.
Sakit sa agad. Ay, wanted na.
Si Senador ba to si Ma?
Wanted ni siya.
Wanted ko ni Juan Duterte.
Duterte. Alright, show me your fish. Okay, you. Okay. You remember how to do it? Sige, so tapos na kami dito sa Andana. Naglagaw kami diri sa unahan. Kita na mo sa ka Eco Park. Ambon, unsa ni siya. Pero tag 50 ang bayad na ay mga fish pond, mga mangroves, caves. Huh?
JBLFMU Ecological Park, Marine and Mangrove Sanctuary.
Yep, that's the name of it. Good job.
Yeah.
And yeah. Okay. Sige, first thing, swimming pool. Swim ka?
I'm not swimming in that. I'm not RT, but I'm not swimming in that.
Harte. Sige, so pretty sure abandoned. Pretty sure we're at an abandoned eco park.
If it isn't abandoned, it will be soon.
Oh, don't play with them. The mom's gonna be pissed.
Should be okay. Hi, Mom. I got some
Oh, it's tied. You're good.
papaya. That's watermelon. Come. Oh my god. I just want one. Come. Oh, hi, Mom. Just give it here. Pineapple? Pineapple.
What the heck?
I'm just saying fruit.
Oh,
Yes! Oh, look at your little head.
it's a bird. It's not a chick. That's a bird. Is that a bird or a chick?
I mean, chickens are birds.
Yeah, but
Look, she wants my watermelon now. It does not look like a chicken. Oh, it's a native chook. They look different.
Bisayang manok.
Look, pigeons are coming.
Hi, I'm at the end there.
Hi, I'm at the end there.
Oh yeah, that's really bad lighting. Sige,
Oh, that's so much better.
sige. So wala kami nadugay dito sa Eco Park kay murag abandoned tanan. Naglibot kami sa tanan pero wala may tao. Diretso kami diri, grabe ka gutom. Nakabit kami diri sa Jay's ambot unsa ni siya? Manginasal. Kay
Jays.
so karon we're on a journey to find mangoes. Kay marang garason na niyani kami diri sa Guimaras kay diri daw ang pinagalamin ng mangga. So pag man diri, magkaon kami mangga, magsakay kami sa kahoy punta para presko kayong mangga. Manong plano? So, kaunta.
Kaunta.
Sige,
Oh my god, you're going to drop that, please.
sige, si Ma'am Joey.
Ma'am Joey.
Dili di ay siya kabalo magkinamot pag magkaon. So, ako siya tudlan karon. Sige siya magtinidor, kutsara.
Okay.
Alright. Becoming Bisaya, folks. Alright.
Okay, you're gonna teach me.
Alright. Grab some meat.
Some manok.
Some manok.
Okay. Oh, it's very hot. Ay.
Okay.
In it.
Now, dip the meat.
And we're food bloggers now.
Yeah, we are food.
You need to wipe your
Alright.
hands.
This is too
That's too much.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now, go like this. Slam it. Okay. Now, like this.
Like this?
Like mold it into a ball. Yeah.
Oh, like squish it.
Yes,
in
yes, yes. Okay.
Okay.
No, wait. And then
And then
flip it like so it's.
what?
Yeah. And then use your thumb to shove it in your mouth. Your thumb like this, a shovel.
What? Okay.
I can't believe no one's ever taught you how to Kinamot.
I grew up in Australia. What do you mean?
Alright, you got it?
Okay. You get your
She learned how to make fish.
I did.
Kinamot. She's so Filipino now.
Go ahead, ask me how to do it. I remember. Alright, you get your manok. Like this.
Like this.
You dip in your.
Yeah, isaw-saw. Isaw-saw.
Okay, so.
Dip.
Dip. You isaw-saw in your suka. Suka? Suka. Suka.
Yes.
Okay. Squish it. Little ball. I love the feeling of rice under my nails.
Yeah, you don't need a freaking like. Just a quick squish. You're not scooping like this. Alright, good job.
Yeah.
Ma'am Zowie, master na. Sige, hindi ni siya promotional video, pero kung ari ka mo diri sa Guimaras, diri ka mo magamit sa Jay's Chicken inato kay mas namin siya kaysa mga inasal, mas tako kayo ang chicken. Dapat gid.
Biggest chicken of my life.
Hello. I'm on Day. This is a bougainvillea. I know trees, and then this is a mango, and I would like to climb that one. So we're gonna see if these guys, I can't see them, will let me.
Sige, nakapit kami diri sa farm kay gusto naman magsaka og kahoy. Magkuha sang namit na mangga pero hindi daw season.
I can't get up.
Oh my gosh.
My feet are so sweaty.
Tiniil. So, sige, magpamangkot kami sa ila kung pwede kami magsaka or kung mayara mangga diri.
Even if it's a green one, I just want to climb a tree.
Me too.
And
Wait.
then I could cultivate it.
What is on your face?
What do you mean? Where?
It's like bird poop.
Oh no!
It's white.
Mangoes. I'm harvesting mangoes.
I'm gonna harvest a mango, mate.
Harvest mangoes. So you're bagging.
Uy, grabe ka gamay.
Let me bag. I'll bag. They're bagging.
Ah, sige, siya na lang magbag.
Okay.
Just climb it. Send it. Oh.
I can't even.
Para sa subay na siya.
Okay.
Para hindi kauno ng mangga sa sang subay. Piste. Ay, piste. Bastos mo na. Oh, it's staple. Are you gonna... Hey, welcome to Gaisano. Sige na. I am Sige. Sakit sa agad sa imo ba?
Boom, panis.
Boom, boom, panis, panis. Wala ka. Nahulog.
Yes, good.
Very good.
Very good.
So, sa Ilonggo.
Very good.
Very good.
Alright. What is your most ripe mango?
Ha?
Is it tamis here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Alin sa Guimaras, gihapon?
Oh. Yes.
A whole
I need
basketball?
to visualize my mango.
Yeah, yeah.
This one's a bit soft, you reckon?
Looks good. Where are we gonna eat it? Inside?
I'm gonna eat it like right here.
Okay. Man,
It's a damn good mango.
it's better than normal mangoes though. Be honest.
That's a really bloody good mango.
Bloody good. It's a bloody good mango, eh?
This ain't no Bowen.
It's a Bowen. Oh, you're Australian.
Mangoes in Queensland.
Hindi ko magbutik sa inyo na ang mangga dire ang isa sa pinaka namin na mangga sa tibok na Pilipinas. Sa pilog na Pilipinas. Skili. Kapag na cliche na siya, pero namin gid.
Mame, good.
Explain.
It was really good.
Like real talk.
Like
It's
real
freaking good.
talk. I ain't talking. It was a really good mango. It was probably the best mango of my life. I'm not exaggerating. It's a good mango. It was really good.
Well,
And we're saving the other one for later.
Zoe, what do you have to say about these windmills?
Nami nami, good job.
No, me get ya. Carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
Whoop whoop.
Carrot cake nila, carrot cake.
Kape ka?
Makapi ka.
Pila ka slice?
Two.
Ah, sige.
Balo ka na mag-ilunggo.
Oh, eh.
Oh, very good.
Very good.
With milk, please. Just
Namit na, may good job.
Kami na, magigya. Happy kami dito sa Batchoy, pero sarado na.
Yes, Bacho is closed, but we're here at Madge. She's my favorite. Craving a coffee. Zooming in on my head again. We're getting down to business here. Hold up. Some serious.
Sige, so gahapon, diri kami nagkaon kami carrot cake. Isa sa pili ka na. Ang paborito na carrot cake dito sa Pilipinas. Food vloggers. Oh, so good.
so good.
Namit
Just like I
namit
remember it.
kitcha.
Namit na, may good job.
Daw mo fancy Zowie. Artista gid. Guwapa no? Guwapa ni siya. Eyo. Grabe artista na ka. Sige. Te. Sa Pinoy Big Brother, nakita na mo? Nakita na ka mo?
Yes.
Yeah? PBB?
Next.
Woohoo! Ano feeling mo na hari ka diri sa presensya sang artista?
Oh my God. I'm so, speechless because
Speechless?
I saw that girl. I see that girl.
In real life. Pero mas guwapa sa personal.
Beautiful. Guwapa, gidya.
Guwapa gid siya. Si Joey. Si Ma'am Joey. Palyar. Feel us. Feel amnesia.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm so amazed for her beauty.
So miss.
I'm so amazed for her beauty.
Yes.
Just sige nyo lang.
Sige, isa-isa. Para may remembrance, no? Bisayang Hilaw. Si Joey ang Bisayang Hilaw. Oh, Bisayang Hilaw.
Sayang batok.
Oh. Grabe.
I'm jealous.
Jealous? Ikaw na, son? Ikaw naman? Okay, salamat kayo. Salamat, Nay.
Yes.
Halong.
Balik-balik lang.
Balik-balik kami. Everyone thinks that she's an artista because we told him yesterday. We were joking. Artista na siya? That's so funny.